Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a dessert table swing for an upcoming fun celebration. Here we go. This week I am obsessed with dessert tables, so I'm going to be making two of them, one for celebrations and one for weddings, but they are not going to be regular dessert tables. They are going to be dessert table swings. Yes, I am so excited to make them. This week I was watching 4 weddings and I saw the most beautiful wedding cake swing and I was inspired to make my own. So today I'm going to be making a regular dessert table swing for any celebration, and then on Saturday I'm going to be making a wedding cake swing. So make sure to check that out then. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright guys, to make my bench or my platform or base for my swing where the desserts are going to go on, I'm going to be using leftover oak wood that I had from my last project. You can definitely make this piece wider and longer, however you will like, however size you will need. But I'm going to use this one because I already have it, and this is 3 feet and a quarter, and it is 11 inches wide. I wish it was wider, but like I said, I'm using what I already have. So the very first thing I'm going to do is measure where I'm going to drill the holes to hang it from. And I decided that I'm going to make it 2 inches in both ways, okay? So here I already marked the holes, or where I want the holes. So it's gonna go right there. And over here, the same. 2 inches there and 2 inches in, all right? My husband is worried that I will make a mess and make holes on the floor or anywhere, so he is going to drill the holes for me. So here he is. First I want to show people how big is your drill and how big is my drill. Come on. I mean, come on, babe. Look at that. My drill, his drill. All right, go ahead, babe. Okay, so we had to get a new, how do you call it, babe?
Drill bit.
Drill bit. So this one is a 1332 and able to fit the rope through it, because the one that we were using is not big enough. So now we have the right one. So drill away.
Go.
All right, nothing to it once you get the right bit. Yeah, perfect. Thank you, you're the bestest. Next, I'm going to be staining my wood with Jacobin 2750. And I got this one from Home Depot. I'm only going to give it 1 coat because I don't want it to be too dark. And I'm gonna let it sit for about 4 to 6 hours. And then I'm going to apply clear semi-gloss, only 1 coat as well. And then I'm going to let it sit overnight. Alright, so now moving on to make the stand for my swing. And for that I am going to need 3 1.5 by 10 PVC pipes. The 1.5 pipes are very sturdy, and I wouldn't trust anything lighter than that to make the stand for your swing, because once you add weight to it, you are really going to need a lot of support. So 1.5 minimum, okay? So now you're going to cut your pipes as follows. You are going to need 2 6-foot pipes, 1 4-foot pipes, and 4 2-foot pipes. You're also going to need connectors, and for that you are going to need 2 elbows, and there are 1.5 elbows. You are going to need 2 of those, and then you are going to need 2 1.5-inch tees, and then you are going to need 4 1.5 caps. And for this project, you are definitely going to need glue to glue the pipes together, because you don't want all of your beautiful platters on the ground. I am in love with this liquid nails that I got from Home Depot. I trust it, and I know that it's going to bond and it's going to be strong. So I'm going to be gluing the pipes with this. And all right, let's do it. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint it in metallic silver. I am back in the house. Now all there's left to do is to place my nautical rope that I got from Dollar Tree through the wood and around the stand. And I'm also going to be using a few nails, 4 of them to be exact. These are 1.5 common nails. There you go. And I'm going to be putting it through the rope under the wood, so it can help me keep everything intact. I'll show you in a sec so you can see it closely. You're also going to need a little bit of hot glue, so make sure that you have your gun handy. I'm going to start by making a knot. Okay, so make a knot. I don't know how to make any professional knots, so I'm just going to make a couple of turns here. I'm going to add some hot glue here on the tip. Make sure it doesn't unravel. In order for me to feel more confident about this swing, I decided that I was going to place this nail through the rope. Okay? And this way it will be more secure and the wood can rest on top of the nail. And now all I'm going to do is just cover the entire nail with hot glue. Alright, so once it's dry, you are going to run the rope under the piece of wood here. Let me give you a close-up. And there it is. Now I'm going to do the same with the other side. As you can see, I placed the rope over the stand, and I'm pretty much going to do the very same process I did with the other 2 knots. I am going to place the nail first, and then I'm going to make the knot. Okay guys, this is it. This is my dessert table swing, and it makes me so happy just by looking at it. Look how fun it is. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to decorate it. I do suggest that you guys do not place any glass jars or any glass serving trays, because you never know, someone can bump into it and then it can shatter all over the place. So using plastic or any material that is not going to break will be best for this arrangement. But other than that, I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so right now. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my dessert table swing, and leave me a comment anyway so we can chit chat, guys, as we do all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that would love to have the dessert table swing, make sure to share with them at the end of this video. Alright guys, until next time, bye.